Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transits. In front of us and for sale today, here we have a Ford Transit 350 long wheelbase chassis cab with a TGS galvanised steel Toolpod tipper body on the back of it. So, Ford element, we've got dual rear wheels and rear wheel drive, 6-speed manual gearbox, connected to a 170 PS engine, so that's the large engine. Covered 81,195 miles. 3 seats up in the cab, and in there you get two heated seats, you get manual air conditioning, you've got automatic headlights and power folding door mirrors. So registered 2018. This tipper comes with Roywood Transit 6 months no quibble warranty, metallic magnetic grey. There you can see the alloy Toolpod, lockable scrolling doors, and then the galvanised steel body. Show you more detail in just a second. We've got the dual rear wheels, rear wheel drive. Gross train mass on this vehicle 6,300 kilos. If you want a tow bar fitted or any additional extras, for example a driver's side security door lock, please ask for further information. Thermoplastic wheel arches, body prop, separate isolation key for the tipper, and automatic headlights. You get cornering fogs, and this is available today. So to tip the body we use this control, up and down, with an audible warning. For up and down. And now round to the Toolpod and the body. You can see the door open, you can see the shelving inside with the water resistant plywood floor. And now onto the sideboards where you can release it with the 2 catches. And you can now see the load floor, and just repeat this step on the other side. And then onto the tailboard, we have 4 pins. Pull out the top 2 to load over. Or the bottom 2. And load under. So hydro electric ram. We've seen the controller, now into the cab. So you can see the dual passenger seat, we've got a fold down table and under seat storage. 8-way adjustment on the driver's seat including lumbar support. Electric windows. Automatic headlights with daytime running lights. We've got power folding door mirrors and the Ford heated windscreen. And then while we're here you can see the digital speedo and just confirming the mileage. 6-speed manual gearbox, so down there 3 pedals. Remember this is connected to the 170 PS engine. And down here, very useful on a day like today, here we have the manual air conditioning, and then just above that the Ford Sync entertainment system, so FM, AM radio, connect your phone through Bluetooth or auxiliary. So in conclusion and for sale today, here we have Ford Transit 350 chassis cab. This is a Toolpod tipper, so TGS, a quality TGS body. You've got galvanised steel and alloy Toolpod, dual rear wheels, rear wheel drive, 170 PS engine, 6-speed manual gearbox, covered 81,195 miles. Air conditioning in the cab, you've got automatic headlights, electric windows, If you have any questions or would like to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you for watching.